Do you have a collection of sea glass that you're not quite sure what to do with? It's the perfect time to get out your collection and make some beautiful sea glass Christmas trees. Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. We love our Christmas crafting, and here on our YouTube channel you can find a number of simple DIY ideas to decorate for Christmas. We love to collect sea glass along the beach in the summer and have been itching for ways to use it up. These pretty trees are perfect for Christmas, but we may just leave them up all year round. For this project, you'll need some cardboard cones, an awl and toothpicks, a couple of starfish, some white paint and a brush, a hot glue gun with some clear craft glue, and of course, lots of sea glass. So let's get started. We picked up these cardboard cones at our local craft store, but we wanted them to be slightly different sizes. So we marked off the bottom of one of the cones and just cut off about 3/4 of an inch. The tape just really helps to make sure that we get a straight line across. We tried to use a utility knife to cut the bottom of the cone, but ended up finding a good sharp pair of scissors which did the trick better. You want to use a sharp object such as an awl to poke a hole through the really top point of the cone, and the hole just needs to be big enough for the toothpick to fit into. Next, you want to paint the cardboard white. It'll just really make the sea glass stand out nicely. Paint the toothpicks white as well, and then glue one to the back of each star. Now it's time to add all the pretty sea glass. It's actually a pretty simple process. We started at the bottom of one of the cones and then, using the hot glue, glued one row of sea glass all around the bottom. They almost look like little jelly beans being glued onto the cones. We happen to have a lot of green sea glass for this project, but this would look so pretty with any color of sea glass that you have. Once the first row is complete, continue on to the second one. It's a bit of a puzzle. You want to fill in any of the gaps and overlay the sea glass with the first row a little bit, so it kind of has that three-dimensional texture and look to it. And simply continue this process all the way up the cone. You can see that some of the curved pieces of sea glass we pointed outwards, and just go with how you think it'll look most pretty. For the finishing touch, add your little starfishes. And there you go, beautifully upcycled Christmas decor filled with memories of days spent combing the beach. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY, craft, and home decor ideas. Leave us a comment below letting us know how you use the sea glass you collect. Thanks for watching. Bye!